Just 24 hours back, I was talking about this. It is always good to identify patterns before they start. So we are bouncing from this bottom part. If we go back to the top part of this bear flag, we are talking about this area 15,350, 15,400, and that might be the point where the retail might start getting trapped. Now I want to show you something that is very important, especially for the long term, which can actually invalidate this bear flag and take the market to even higher levels. So let me quickly go to the dollar index and I want to show you what is happening on the weekly chart over here. So this is another channel on the dollar index. Look at this top part, and we are continuously making lower highs, but the RSI is going up. So there is a weekly bearish divergence on the dollar index itself. If we talk about the continuation of this whole pattern like this, so we are getting rejected now. When we go back towards the 9900 area, which is over here, the bottom part of this channel, this would mean a very crazy pump in the markets overall. Everything, Nasdaq, S&P 500, crypto, so all those markets will start to pump. So talking about this dump over here, let's try to measure this up, and we are talking about something around the 4% mark. Now it is important to check one thing, which is this pump was around 4.5% on the dollar index, and this pump started in 17 July 2023. So let's just go back to Nasdaq on 17 July and see what was happening over here. So for that 4.5% pump on the dollar index, we got a rejection of roughly 7% on the Nasdaq itself. Now if we try to extrapolate the same thing, that the dollar index will go down and Nasdaq will start pumping for another 7%, so you are talking somewhere around 16,000, 16,400. so this is a scenario that is actually very much possible, especially if you look at the weekly chart over here. So what can happen is price will make a higher high on the Nasdaq, so this is the higher high, and the RSI will be making a lower high. So there will be a bearish divergence on the Nasdaq that will drop it again back to somewhere around 15,300. So this is what it is looking like right now because of the dollar index. Of course, you know that the jobless data, CPI data, all those things are right around the corner, so have to be careful of that. Now let's just go back to the daily. So another pattern that can form over here is this head and shoulder pattern. Look at this. So if this happens, then have to be very careful, because this rejection can take us back towards 13,600, 700 area, where the 200 moving average in red is currently sitting. So all eyes are on the dollar index right now, and we can see that yes, we are getting these rejections from the top part of this channel. Also, let's quickly take a look at the fear and greed index. So yesterday we were at 46 points, and now today we are at 49. And I have mentioned this time and time again that when we were in extreme greed, there will be a retest of this area and market will see a bounce from here back towards maybe the greed section somewhere around the 70 points till 80 point area, and that is what we are trying to do today. So what are your thoughts regarding all of this? Do you think that really the market will go around the 16,000 area again, or nope, this is the end, this is the trap that the market is setting up, and we will see a very big rejection from here? Do let us know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, our previous analysis video are on the screen. If you want, you can click that and watch those also. Once again, I would like to remind you, look at how volatile the market is. If you're actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.